Guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting the 30th of November 2020. If you would like to receive those videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button at the bottom of this video. And before we get started, before we get into the trading ideas, let me announce the winner of the contest for the flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen there's the name of the winner who won the indicator, so congratulations for winning that profile. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week, for the next weekly trading ideas video. The prize of the contest will also be the volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. The only thing you need to do to participate in that contest is to leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week I'll randomly pick one winner to win the indicator. Alright, so that's about the contest, and let's now go into the trading ideas. The first trading idea which I want to share with you is actually a trading idea which I published for members of my trading course. It is on the euro dollar. So what you see before you are three charts of the euro dollar. Those charts are always linked, and they always show the same trading instrument, in this case the euro dollar. This is a 60-minute chart, this is a 30-minute chart, this is a 15-minute chart. Let me go into the 30-minute chart in here, where I use my flexible volume profile. And what I wanted to show you in here was this heavy volume area from which the strong buying activity on Friday started. As you can see, there was a rotation, so I expect that buyers, strong buyers, were building up their long positions in here in this rotation, and afterwards those buyers started aggressive buying to push the price upwards into that uptrend. You can see that currently there is a very strong uptrend, so buyers are definitely in control, and for that reason I'm only interested in longs on the euro. So this is the closest heavy volume area to the current price, and I think that strong buyers will want to defend this area. So when there's a pullback to this level, to the place where the volumes were the heaviest, which is at 1.1924, I think that the buyers who place the long positions in here will want to defend this area. They'll become active and they'll push the price upwards from this area again. Alright, so that's the strong intraday support on the euro at 1.1924. Now let's move forward and let's have a look at the euro pound. So this is the euro British pound, where there's another trading idea which I wanted to show you. This trading idea is based on a setup which I call the trend setup, and I trade it when there is a strong trend, like in here, the Friday's strong buying activity. Now when there is strong buying or selling activity like that, when there's a trend, I like to use the flexible volume profile to look into that trend to look for significant volume clusters. This is a significant volume cluster. So buyers were pushing the price upwards, then they stopped, and in that rotation they were adding to their long positions in here. They placed most of them in here, and then they continued pushing the price upwards. And when there is a pullback, those buyers are likely to defend their longs and to push the price upwards from there again. That's the whole logic behind this trend setup. This is the place where the heaviest volumes got placed. It is exactly at 0.8946, as you can see in here. Alright, so that's the strong support on the euro British pound. A little bonus to that is that if you look at the weekly profile, at the volume profile from this week, this is actually just a little bit below the weekly point of control, which is just a little bonus to add to the strength of the trend setup in here. Alright, so that's the euro British pound. Let me now go into the next trading pair, which is going to be the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So this is the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and very strong buying activity, which you can see today right there. And this buying activity started in here with this heavy volume accumulation zone. And what I think was that buyers were building up their long positions in here. They placed most of their volumes in here. This is the point of control of this rotation at 114.98. And after they have accumulated their longs, they started to push the price aggressively upwards into that uptrend. So when there is a pullback at some point in the future, I expect those buyers from this rotation to defend the longs and to try and push the price upwards from this area again. Now, there are also nice confluences to this level. And the confluences are, if you look in here, how the price reacted to this zone in the past very nicely. So this zone worked as a strong resistance, which now turned into a support right there, where the price shot past it and the resistance became support. Alright, so that's the price action confluence to the volume based setup, to the volume accumulation setup, which you can see in here. Now there is one risky thing which I need to warn you about, and it is the weak low in here. There's not really any strong rejection in this area. I mean strong rejection like this, strong rejection of lower prices. Now I would really like to see that in this area. Unfortunately, there is just the weak low, which could prove to work as a magnet, and the price could go past it. And this is the risky thing about this trade. So what I like about it is that the volume accumulation setup in here, the resistance becoming support setup in here, but what I find risky is the weak low. But still I think the trade would be worth it, even though it's a little bit more risky because of this, because of the weak low which it created. No trade is ever perfect. You need to weigh pros and cons and in the end make up your mind which one overweights the other, if the risk is worth taking. Alright. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, you can go and visit my website, which is trader-dale.com, and in here you can go to trading course and tools. By the way, we were running a Black Friday sale. It ended yesterday, but my web guys didn't take the sale down yet. So if you are quick enough, you can still get it for the 50% discount. But I guess that they'll take that down, that discount down later today. So if you still want to catch it, you better hurry up. Let me show you what the Elite Pack, this is the recommended training pack, consists of. Alright, so the Elite Pack consists of the volume profile video course, which is a 15-hour long video course on volume profile trading. Then it consists of my personal trading levels, which you will get every day. Those are daily trading levels and monthly swing trading levels. You will also get volume profile pack, which is a pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4. And as a bonus, you are going to get a VWAP indicator, which is my indicator which I developed for NinjaTrader 8. And what you'll also get is my book, the volume profile, the insider's guide to trading. Now there's one more extra bonus. It is a free tech support for Elite and Overflow Pack members. Now what that means is that our tech support will set up a NinjaTrader 8 platform for you. They'll install all the indicators, all my personal trading workspaces, and they'll also connect you with data feed. They'll do that through TeamViewer, and they'll do it for free. And this way you won't really need to care about installing the indicators, reading manuals, and setting it all up, because they'll do it all for you, and you can start focusing on learning to trade with volume profile, not on setting up the platform and all the other stuff. Alright, so that's about it. That's about this video, guys. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in the next video, and until then, happy trading.